Hey guys, Daniel here from Rushfaster, and today we're checking out the Bluelounge CableClip. Basically, as its name suggests, clips your cables in to prevent them from, hanging around all over the place. This is probably an easier way to look at what the cable clip does. So basically, it comes in three different sizes. So you've got the small size, which is good for like headphone cables. The medium size, maybe for a bigger cable, needs to be coiled around a little bit more. And then you've got the large sort of power cable size as well. In the packets, the small ones come in a pack of 6, the medium size in a pack of 4, the large size in just a pack of 2. Just wanted to run you through the 3 different sizes, nice and simple. If you're looking to keep your cables a little bit more organized, then these are the different cable clips that are available. They're available in Australia from rushfaster.com.au. Anywhere else in the world, check the links below. And yeah, that is the Bluelounge CableClip.